My name is Judith Stratemeyer. I'm the manager of this Woodcraft store in Hurst, Texas. We've been in this location about 10 years now. We're a specialty woodworking store. We have power tools. We have a great selection of wood. We carry some high-end brands. We carry SawStop and Festool. Not everybody gets to carry those products. You have to have a license to carry those products. We also teach classes for the beginner woodworkers. We have a Woodworking 101 class, which is very good for beginners because you're going to take raw material and run it through all the different machines, planer, joiner. And we have cutting board making classes, bandsaw classes. There's a lot of classes, and we're always trying to get new classes. There's several woodworking clubs in the area also. There's wood turning clubs, woodworking clubs, wood carving clubs, the senior centers that are doing carving classes now. When you come to the store versus buying online, you get to put the products in your hand, you get to feel them. We can even take them out of the package and show you how they work. I mean, if that's what it takes for you to know what you're buying. Most of the new people off the street come in looking for a finish, looking for something to put on their project, and then their mind gets blown once they get in here.